And the number one ranked team in the Ontario Provincial Championship, with a record of 10 wins and 1 loss, Team 2056.
First Robotics is a program where high school students get to learn and use their knowledge about STEM while teaching others on the way. STEM is science, technology, engineering, and math. First Robotics creates competitions for all ages to give opportunities for people like me to learn about robotics. This is my 3rd year taking part of the Drive team. The Drive team consists of a driver, operator, 2 human players, and a drive coach. I'll be taking on the role as the robot driver. It is my responsibility to control and manipulate the robot while at competition. During the year, I get opportunities to practice the robot on a homemade field and give valuable feedback to make changes for the robot in the future. I get to learn how the robot we create works with the game one-on-one. Team 2056 is deemed as one of the most consistent teams in the First Robotics competition. I believe that most of our success comes from how we do things, like our design philosophy. The 3 pillars we like to go by are called simplicity, robustness, and quality. We here like to make things more simple and less complex. Doing that, we want our designs to be robust to allow for minimal repair and maintenance. Along with those 2, we like to remain these as a quality. We design components thoroughly and build them how they are supposed to. Along with those pillars, we have plenty of experience on this team, and along with our lead mentors who share this knowledge, they like to help us and teach the students.
The robotics team is involved in a number of off-season events that we get involved in just to get the new team members up to speed on what we do as a team. But also we do recycling of electronics. We take that to a depot. We do clothing drive. We help with the canned food drive with the local firefighters. And we do the inside ride, bicycle ride for those suffering with cancer. Done that for a number of years, as long as it's been here at OP. Our whole focus is to excite kids about STEM, about engineering, robotics. So we go into elementary schools and show them what it's all about. We also mentor some schools with either Lego teams or VEX teams. And we've done maker fairs and other outreach activities where kids are just interacting with robots and learning about what engineering and STEM is all about. Other than the drive team, there are a number of roles. We run basically a company, so we have finance people, marketing people, website, so that kind of aspects of the team. There's also the strategy aspect of the robotics team, keeping what's important in playing the game. So there's the game-by-game, match-by-match strategy, but also keeping track of what other teams do. So keeping all the stats and data on other teams and then compiling that all together and making wise decisions when we're picking alliances. We also have people that are machining CNC work, making parts of the robot, electronics, wiring the robot, checking out the sensors and devices that we add to the robot, programming. The robot needs code, so there's the whole programming aspect of the robot. There's people designing CAD work before we even have a robot built. We have to design it and come up with the concepts, brainstorming, all that part of the team is integral to being a very competitive robotics team.